All right, guys, Subcase Unicorn Beetle was nice enough to send over a boatload of cases. There's no way to say it. There's a boatload of cases to review, and they sent over a replica unit as well. I've got a separate video on this if you just wanted me to see me talk about it. So this is ultimately a bunch of the same color cases, different colors. So here is purple, blue, green, black, and this is clear, Unicorn Beetle style clear. And this is Unicorn. These are two different versions right here. So we'll start with this green one right here. Yeah, this is the same version that they have from last year. The clear, it's just the same kind. So I'm not going to try all of these on, but I will show you what they look like, because these are essentially all the same case. So there's your purple, there's your green, here's your blue. Beautiful, man, just freaking beautiful. And then here's the black, I believe, yes. Yeah. All right, so here they are. Get these out of the way. I'll get to those in another video. So here is this case. Now we'll put, let's put the green one on. Let's put the green one on here. There you go. And you should come from this corner down here. Pop it open. And then you peel this protector off. And then the phone goes in. And I thought, you know, just looking at some of the cases on this, or the dummy unit here, I thought the screen would be a little bit bigger, but it's not. It's 6.1. I actually was using this case on the 10R, the one that I traded in. So with the phone being white, you really get to see all that the case is offering here. So you've got a little bit of subcase branding. You get to see the color of your phone. And then you got this huge cutout for the cameras. And then you've got your vibrate and mute switch, which is, this isn't a dummy unit, but it's a functional switch. You've got lay on the table design, a little bit of lip protection there, and the phone will drop like so. So here is purple, blue, black, and green. This is the subcase lineup for the Unicorn Beetle, man. This is the Unicorn Beetle SP subcase. So these are nice cases. Take a look at them. I'll have links in the description, and you grab yours.